Hey everyone. So in this video, I wanted just to quickly talk about why we get stuck in recreating the same circumstances over and over and over again. And the reason we do this is because of the attention that we give the things in our life, okay? And so if we are continuously focusing on whatever it is that we've created, and we're not giving any new information of what we actually do want to create in our life, then we will just on autopilot keep recreating the same thing over and over and over again in our reality, the same circumstances, situations, all of that kind of thing, with money, relationships, health, whatever it is, right? And we keep it locked in by our focus because we are telling our subconscious mind through our focus that this is important to us, right? And then it just keeps recreating it because it thinks it's, doing the right thing by you. But, it's not in your book because you're like going, well, hang on a minute, I'm not happy with this. I want to change it. But because you're focusing on the situation or circumstances that you currently have and that you don't want, you are actually through your focus telling your subconscious mind that this is important to you. And if you're not, like I said before, feeding it new information of what you do actually want to create and what actually is important to you, you will just keep recreating the same thing over and over and over again. So how do you change this? Well, you change this by focusing on something else, focusing on what you actually want to create. Right? You see, your current circumstances are just beliefs, feelings, from what you've thought before, from the past, manifested in your three-dimensional reality in front of you, right? So therefore, for you to want to create something different, you have to feed your mind. You have to believe something different. You have to feel something different and give your subconscious mind different pictures of what you want to create, right? Then that current reality will die away because you're not giving it attention anymore. And then you will start to manifest what you're actually starting to focus on, what you actually do want, okay? Now, there's a science behind this as well, So it's like what we observe, we keep recreating. Those creations happen because we're observing them. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments if it does make sense. Let me know if you've got any questions. I'm happy to answer them. And so you could also write in the comments what your current circumstances are and what you actually want to change to, right? Now, that's what you need to do to really start to change your current circumstances. It's super powerful. It's possible for you. I hope this has helped you. Make sure you like it if you've liked the video and it's given you some great information. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. See ya.